Welcome to the QuickStart series, where we show you how to set up and configure your VOLO access control system. In this video, we will be looking at editing door settings in a few simple steps. Let's get started. Select the customer the door belongs to. Navigate to the Sites menu option in the top bar. Click on the icon in the Doors column. Then, click on the door icon next to the name of the door you wish to edit settings for. Then, select Settings from the left-hand side menu and click Edit. Here, you can choose to use site level settings by default or change the default door timings for this door. A time zone can be selected to define when a door will grant access and when it will deny access. You can also enable or disable the toggle mode, which is a mode of operation in which a door will toggle between locked and unlocked each time a valid credential is presented. It will remain in each state until a valid credential is presented again. Press Save and Close, and then click OK to close the window. That's it. Your door settings are now updated. Check out menu options for further door level actions. If you need any further information, you can visit our wiki. Please find the link in the description or contact CIE. Thank you for choosing VOLO.